Breaking news. Edo government opposes move to install Sultan of Edo, issues warning. Hello, my wonderful people. It will interest you to know that yesterday when we broke the news that there is a secret plot by the North to bring in another king because the Sultan is recognized as a king. Yes, into Edo State, the ancient Benin Kingdom. Did you know that some people sent me message, madam, where you dey get your news? You fake news, honestly. Some people, I was like, my God, why not be patient, verify? For the fact that you got the message first from Apple Line Media, you have not seen it anywhere else, does not mean it's fake news. It's not. You see, guess what? Edo State Governor don't hear the matter. Because na only one Oba Atokpeye dey o. Na only one o, no be two o. Na only one o. E don send message. You dey see. That's why I put the picture of the warning by Oba by Edo State Governor. Because Oba no go follow the person dey knack teeth now. You no go follow am dey knack teeth say you wan come become second king. Make I tell you the implication of that thing. Two king na go come dey Edo State. I dey tell you, na you dey look as if na play. When people come, dignitaries come Edo, they will first go Sultan Palace. When we get into the news, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if this is your first time. Let's get all the details. Breaking news. Edo State government opposes move to install Sultan of Edo. Issues a serious warning. Edo State government has opposed plan to install a Sultan of Edo State. The state government condemned in a very strong term the planned coronation of Idris Abdul Noor of the Sultan of Shiwa Arab of Edo State, describing the proposed move as sacrilege and a threat to the peace and security in Edo State. In a statement on Thursday, Secretary to the State Government Osario Dion Esquire assure citizens firmly and decisive action will be taken to prevent any actualization of illegal sacrilege acts in Edo State. The statement reads, the Edo State government has been intimated with complaints from indigents and residents of Edo State over a proposed move to embark on the coronation of one Idris Abdul as Sultan of Shiwa Arab of Edo State. The Edo State government wishes to state as follows that whereas whether or not this event is held as it said or in any other location within the state, it would constitute a direct assault on our tradition, custom, and the culture of the people of Edo State by individuals who clearly have other motives and are trying to abuse the well-known Edo hospitality by their acts of sacrilege. That is a potential threat to the peace and security of Edo State, with the capacity to cause breakdown of law and order, as citizens of the state are likely to be provoked by the obvious coronation invitation already out. Under the Edo State's traditional rulers and chiefs law, it is an offense for anyone to proclaim himself or allow himself to be proclaimed as the holder of any traditional title not recognized under the said law or without the approval of the above authority, appreciated authority. According to Osarodion, the state government hereby wishes to assure all concerned that the firm and decisive action will be taken to prevent the actualization of these illegal acts and sacrilege acts, that all persons found to have been involved in the conception and execution will face the full route of the law. Edo State government therefore call on all citizens to be calm, law-abiding, and rest assured that the government is fully aware and is firm on top of the situation, he assured the people. Now the letter when Obaseki call right, and the letter they there. So I purposely put the letter so that you go see am with your eye. Because some people send us message, madam, where you get this news? And fake news. I they tell you now, so they put the matter. Fake news, madam. Apple Line Media, fake news. I call the wonder, say sure. Now true, they talk. So which one be fake news now? They won't share position with Oba. You tell me say na fake news. Which one we carry fake news about Oba? Which na go gain with Oba? Not be any other person, Oba of Benin. They not get they do something rich. Make I tell you the implication of what this people they want to do. It's called a deceitful game. Oh. Let me tell you the implication, okay? What will happen is these people, by the time they have successfully installed, their Sultan, you don't need to go to the government. They will go to the government, yes, and they will tell the government that there is a traditional title holder in Edo State. Then the government of Nigeria will put them under traditional title holders in Edo State. Before you know, they will pump money they give them. You know, say money they spoil things. Money. Before you know, they don't buy big land. Even if you tell this not sell land, one person will say they're hungry. Now so you go sell 5 acres of land for them. And they tell you before you know, now what they go they get every day from Edo State. That's why they go they kill Edo indigenes because Edo indigenes not go like when that kind of nonsense happen to their dear Oba. Young men as they come out. Now so they go they import the Fulanis come from the north. Now so they go they pump it's a Fulani herdsmen. That one a shy play. This one, they go they tell you that they are king. There's some governors from the north who start to the oppose. You never see anything. You never see anything at all. Governors from the north, so they call they enact it to who said that? You know, say for Lagos, they get the Oba of Lagos. Then they get I don't know the name what they call them, but they got a Fulani king as well. Might just say Sultan for Lagos. I beg me you investigate. Not right for me fake news. I beg. He did there. Just investigate. When British came the other time and they were saying, how do we stop this problem of insecurity? You know, so they go Lagos. They're not going to meet Oba of Benin. They're not going to meet Oba of Lagos. We produce the news to you now. We show you the pictures now. Now the Sultan of Lagos, they go meet. More not going to the story. What go happen, you're not going to believe her. Open your eye, make you see. This is called full-honorization. Leave us a comment. Don't forget to like us and make you still share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless you. Have a lovely and a fantastic day. Bye for now.